Trump media stock is at historic lows as Kamala Harris reshuffles electoral odds. On Tuesday, Trump media shares reached an all-time low following the deal. The stock price has fallen in tandem with the diminishing chances of Donald Trump being the next president. Democratic contender Kamala Harris's rise to prominence has dampened Trump's surge. The declining prospects of Donald Trump's election have sent shares of Trump media and technology down to near historic lows. After hitting a post-merger low of $21.33 on Tuesday, the parent company of Truth Social recovered and continued to trade higher on Wednesday. This drop mirrors Trump's dwindling chances of becoming president in November. As of last month, the odds of the ex-president regaining the presidency were 69%. But now they're only 47%, according to the prediction market predicted. The DJT stock price has started to look a lot like a wager on the likelihood of Trump's triumph. When the failed Trump assassination attempt increased expectations that he would win, it peaked in the middle of July. The stock price has recently fallen again due to the election of Vice President Kamala Harris. After falling precipitously under Biden, her surge resurrected the prospect of a Democratic presidency. She has been steadily gaining ground in the polls versus Trump and now has an expected likelihood of 56%. With all eyes on the Democratic convention, this week has been particularly taxing for Trump. Investor confidence has taken a hit as a result of Trump's return to X, formerly known as Twitter, after a brief ban in 2021. Last week, he made a triumphant return by interviewing Elon Musk, CEO of X. Truth Social was promoted as a Twitter alternative, so some investors might be let down by Trump's comeback. Trump media, however, has become a notorious meme stock and is unprofitable, so it can't rely much on its own performance. In its most recent earnings report, the business revealed a loss of $16 million and a drop in quarterly revenue. As the owner of around 60% of the company, Trump is understandably unhappy to see share prices falling. Insiders have been unable to sell their shares for 6 months, beginning in March, due to regulatory restrictions. However, these restrictions will end on September 20th. Trump has not yet said whether he plans to sell his shares, but the enormous legal bills he is racking up could put further pressure on him. Attorney fees and fines for the former president have exceeded $500 million, according to Bloomberg.